Spacious, open floor plan 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in amenity-rich Lake of the Woods, Virginia, offers the best in one-level living. Fabulous curb appeal with a stamped concrete driveway, gray stone front and a shady front yard accented with colorful landscaping provides the perfect setting to call home. The home has laminate floor throughout and features an enormous master suite with 2 closets complete with built-ins, a large bathroom with jetted tub and separate shower and a walkout to a 3-season sunroom. Truly a suite, it is the perfect sanctuary and has enough space for a home office. The large great room has cathedral ceilings and with soaring windows providing ample natural light. The large eat-in kitchen offers ample cabinets and counters, quality stainless steel appliances, and large island with Jin air cooktop, with dining counter. The 2 additional bedrooms are large and share the second full bath. The laundry room provides access to the oversized 2-car garage with an epoxy floor and large storage cabinets. A maintenance-free back deck with engineered decking and vinyl railings provides a great space for enjoying an evening dinner or early morning coffee. The sunny backyard is perfect for a vegetable garden and has a shed for all your tools and lawn equipment. A bonus feature is the large crawl space that is protected by an Orkin dry lock moisture mitigation system. The home is a perfect location with just a short walk to Sweetbriar Park, which is home to the community center, a swimming pool, fitness trail, playground, athletic fields and the Lions Pavilion picnic area. The tennis and pickleball courts and softball field are also just a couple of blocks in the other direction. Launch your boat or kayaks at the small marina just a few minutes from home. Often called Virginia's best kept secret. Live like you are on vacation every day in Lake of the Woods.